Hi, this is Debbie Durako with StellaLife Vega Oral Care here at the Pikos Institute with none other than Dr. Basma. He just has been teaching in a fantastic new course. What do you like about the course, Doctor, and what do you think is the favorite part about teaching it?
This course is about mastering implants in the aesthetic zone. It's one of my favorite courses that I usually give here at the Pikos Institute. It covers both the surgical and the prosthetic aspects, and we go over all kind of basic principles that are related to temporization, that are related to final restoration when it comes to pros, whether it's you're going to do immediate or delayed approach. Also, we touch base on different surgical approaches. If you want to do immediate, if you want to do delayed. Also, there is a big portion, which is my favorite part of this course, that's around 3 to 4 hours actually of the 2 days, that we cover complications, how to manage those complications in the aesthetic zone. And then the participants get to apply everything we're learning during the lecture on a special model that we created that mimic exactly what they're going to face on Monday by taking the teeth out, doing a provisional restoration, doing a custom tissue former, and also how to manage complications using soft tissue grafting. So that's what I love about this course.
Well, I love that, and I've heard nothing but incredible things from the students that are here today and yesterday. They love this course, and so thank you for having StellaLife, and thank you for teaching it.
Thank you, StellaLife, for being here. Thank you for your support always. And if I'm not seeing excellent results with StellaLife, definitely we're not having this discussion now. But thank you for all what you do to our industry. Thank you.
Thank you.